greeting from Trimper's Rides here in Ocean City, Maryland. Let's go on a walk through the Pirates Cove haunted house. And in we go. Oh, a little rope bridge. Some piratey. Oh, it's a slanty floor. I did not know it was going to be a slanty floor. Slanty floor. Oh! That's fun. I do enjoy a classic fun house like this. Not something you get a lot of places. I know there's a very similar design one at Waldameer. Got the same facade. Probably some of the same stuff. It's gonna be, might be a little tricky because we just got off the boomerang and the spinning coaster as we head into this hallway of darkness. Oh. Ah, it looks like the doors get smaller. Oh, it's a big shark. Not a very, it's very claustrophobic in here. Hallway of nothing. And a disco ball room. I wish the lights weren't on. Kind of ruins the effect.
It does.
And now you don't really get the disco ball effect. You're just kind of walking in the line ride. Continue around. Oh, and you're in a very slanted room now. This is tricky, and it seems like it'll probably take a while to go through. Not so much this way. Going down where it's easy. When I turn around, there's also a man in the, is he in like the bathtub or the pantry?
Pantry.
He's missing an arm, so he hasn't had the best of days, but he's also a pirate, so that's not to be unexpected. Here's a better shot of that gentleman who's had a rough go of it here at the Pirates Cove. Oh, I almost fell over. All right, another very small hallway. Ooh, and now we are at the spinning tunnel. Oh, and there's things that I walked into. Okay. There's a grave. A spooky pirate man. Some logs. Oh. I don't know what's going on. I'm guessing this used to be a fountain at one point. But the floor is a squishy floor, which if the lights weren't on would be pretty cool. Something's moving over there. This guy is in the porta-john. What is this next thing going to be? Spooky ghost pirate Captain Man. Oh, and here's that thing that was moving. It is Death. And his friend, a giant snake. Turn around, we're back to the helmsman. Very claustrophobia in here. Got a man in a barrel. Yep, and that's me. Oh, and we are in a jail-type mirror maze.
And we're in the mirror maze.
There we go. It's not really much of a maze. You're just kind of walking through a queue with a couple mirrors on the outside. Also, if you're a plus-size guest, this would not be the attraction for you. It is very narrow. I think one more turn and we're out of the prison section. Alright. And there we go. That's it. That is the Pirates Cove Funhouse.